The TISF condemned about the excessive force of police for initiating lathi charge, tear gas and water cannons to the TISF protester who went to submit the deputation peacefully. The state coordinator of TISF, Sajra Debbarma, organized a press meet on Thursday at the Ujayanta Village TISF office and condemned about this incident. TISF protesters who went to submit the deputation peacefully for the implementation of Kokborok Roman script were resorted a lathi charge, tear gas and water cannons by the police. 15 TISF students were severely injured at the incident. All the injured students were sent to Agartala GB Hospital. The TISF condemned about the excessive force of police for initiating lathi charge, tear gas and water cannons to the TISF protesters who went to submit the deputation peacefully. The state coordinator, Sajra Debbarma, organized a press meet on Thursday at the Ujayanta Village TISF office and condemned about this incident. On the demand of Roman script for Kokborok, TISF groups of Tripura took an initiative to submit deputation to Chief Minister of Tripura on Wednesday. Since Wednesday morning, students of Tripura Indigenous Student Federation gathered at Astapal ground and started the rally from Wednesday afternoon, and the students of TISF moved towards Rajbhavan to submit the deputation. However, they were stopped by the police in front of the circuit house. After that, 5 TISF members went to submit memorandum to governor at Rajbhavan, but because the governor was not well, they were not able to submit the memorandum in his hand, and the secretary of Governor House took their memorandum, and because of that, the members of TISF were disheartened. However, police threw them hot water, lathi charge and tear gas trying to disperse the TISF protesters. 15 TISF students were severely injured at the incident. All the injured students were sent to Agartala GB Hospital. The TISF condemned about the excessive force of police for initiating lathi charge, tear gas and water cannons to the TISF protesters who went to submit the deputation peacefully. The state coordinator, Sajra Debbarma, organized a press meet on Thursday at the Ujayanta Village TISF office and condemned about this incident. He further says that they have reported and spread the false news about the TISF about the Wednesday incident.
press briefing न्यूज़ चैनल में बहुत सारे उल्टा सीधा भी दिखाया जा रहा है, तो हम लोग ने सोचा सबको क्लियर कर देंगे। तो बात ऐसा है कि हम लोग कल पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे। हम लोग का जो TISF हैं बहुत सारे डिवीज़न से आए थे। सर्किट हाउस जो VIP रोड था वहाँ पे हम लोग सब लोग मिलके वहाँ पे पीसफुली प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे। उसके बाद अचानक से हम लोग को पुलिस की तरफ से मैसेज आया कि हम लोग के साथ गवर्नर मिलने वाले हैं। तो हम लोग गए गवर्नर हाउस, तो वहाँ पे जाके देखे कि गवर्नर हाउस तो गए, वो अंदर भी गए। उसके बाद वहाँ से ऐसा हम लोग को रिएक्शन मिला कि गवर्नर जी हम लोग से नहीं मिले, उनका सेक्रेटरी मिले। तो उनके हाथ में हम लोग जो भी मेमोरेंडम देना था देके तो आ गए, लेकिन जो झूठा प्रस्तावा देके हम लोग को लेके गए थे वो लोग, जो हम लोग को जो लॉलीपॉप खिला रहे थे, भाई हम उस ज़माने के पहले ज़माने के वो हम लोग नहीं है स्टूडेंट। तो हम लोग को अगर गवर्नर से मिलने के लिए गए थे तो हम लोग को गवर्नर से मिलना है, किसी हम लोग को सिक्योरिटी और या कुछ किसी के साथ नहीं मिलना है। उसी बात को मैंने आके देखी, हम लोग पब्लिक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैं, तो इतने सारे स्कूल के स्टूडेंट, कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट लोग वहाँ पे आके बैठे थे, प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे सुबह बिना खाना खाए हुए। तो हम लोग वहाँ पे जाके जब सब लोगों को क्लियर विजन सबको बताया, उसके बाद थोड़ा सा एग्रेसिव मूवमेंट पैदा हुआ। तो उसमें थोड़ा सा पुलिस और हम लोग के स्टूडेंट के बीच थोड़ा सा पुशअप हुआ, बस इतना ही।
However, the state coordinator Sajra Debbarma further says that on whose order they have to lodge lathi charge upon the students of TISF who went to submit deputation peacefully. Reported by Krishanu from Agartala, Chini Khorang.